Okay, so where we stopped, let me share the screen.
Sir, 13 number fill in the blanks.
Have you written the questions?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, see, what was the 12th question?
Teacher, the atmosphere
See, Ali Hassan, I just want to try.
consists.
Can you type on the screen?
Yes, teacher.
Just type the 13th question. Okay. See, you don't have the option of text. Text का option है.
टीचर चैट बॉक्स में भेजूं?
No, not a problem. मुझे सिर्फ ये चेक करना था कि whether can you type on the same board. Okay, no problem. Okay, you just read the question. Most of all, what was the question?
The atmosphere consists 13. Almost all the water vapor in the atmosphere is contained
almost.
in the dash.
Yes, almost all the water vapor in the atmosphere is contained in the dash. So, which are the spheres of the earth? Sorry, which are the spheres of the atmosphere, or which are the layers of the atmosphere? Which are the layers of the yes? एटमॉस्फेयर का लेयर्स कौन सा है?
Ozone layer, troposphere.
Ozone layer is there, but ozone layer is present in which sphere? We have learnt 4 spheres.
Troposphere.
Yes, first troposphere, then you have not done the studies. Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. याद आया? At least try to remember these 2 spheres, because only these 2 spheres are given in your textbook, troposphere or stratosphere. Okay, at least ये दो ध्यान में रखने का. Okay, and don't get confused. In atmosphere, different layers are there. उसका नाम है troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, exosphere, etc. And earth का different sphere कौन सा है? Earth का, which are the spheres of the earth?
The atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, biosphere.
Yes, very good. So don't get confused between these 2 spheres. Okay, अगर earth का spheres पूछा, then you have to say lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, and then atmosphere. And atmosphere का spheres पूछा, तो you have to say troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere. Okay, so yes, in this layer of atmosphere where all the water vapor is present.
In troposphere.
Very good, in troposphere. Now 14th question. In the lower part of the stratosphere, there is a layer of a gas called dash. See, in troposphere, what we have learned, the aeroplane will fly, then all the weather related events take place. बराबर, जो भी rain, cloud formation.
ozone layer.
Yes. So stratosphere में the gas called ozone is present in the stratosphere, and the layer is called ozone layer. Okay. Now write down the next question. 15th, right? 15th question है ना?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, 15th question. Dash rays coming from the sun are harmful for living things. Dash rays coming from the sun are harmful for living things.
Teacher, finished.
Return this question. Dash rays coming from the sun are harmful for living things. What is the answer?
Teacher, UV rays.
UV rays. Full form of UV is ultraviolet rays. Okay? Ultraviolet rays. Otherwise, you can call it as UV rays. Now, 16th question. Water on the earth dash continuously, water on the earth dash continuously due to the heat of the sun. Water on the earth dash continuously due to the heat of the sun. Yes.
Teacher, vapor.
Water on the earth. वो they are asking the process. तो उधर क्या होता है? सन के हीट के वजह से वाटर को क्या होता है?
They making vapor in the sky.
हाँ, so listen, water जो water vapor बनता है वो process को क्या बोलते हैं? Which is the process where water is converted to water vapor due to the heat of the sun?
Evaporation.
Very good, evaporation. So here the answer is evaporates. Okay, water on the earth evaporates continuously due to the sun, due to the heat of the sun. Okay. Now, water vapor is dash than air it rises up into the atmosphere. Water vapor is dash than air, so it rises up into the atmosphere. Water vapor air से क्या है? इसके वजह से water vapor ऊपर जाता है. If you want, I will give you options. Options are heavier, lighter, bigger. वाटर वेपर क्या है, किसके वजह से वाटर वेपर ऊपर जाता है?
Lighter.
लाइटर, वेरी गुड। वाटर वेपर लाइटर है, इसके वजह से वाटर वेपर ऊपर जाता है। किससे लाइटर है? वाटर वेपर इज लाइटर देन एयर, दैट्स यस, दैट्स व्हाई it goes up to the atmosphere. Okay, lighter.
Yes.
Okay, now next question, 18th one. Question. Okay, 18th question. The polar bear is seen only in the dash polar regions. The polar bear seen only in the dash polar regions. The polar bear is seen only in the dash polar regions.
In cold region.
Which one? I will give you options. Okay. Options are rain bound, wind bound, snow bound. So which is the correct answer?
Snowbound.
Snow bound. Very
Snowbound.
good. Yes. So the answer is snow bound. Okay, so the polar bear is seen only in the snow-bound polar regions. Okay, so the now next question. Next question. Nineteenth question is, zebras are found in dash. Zebras are found in dash.
Australia.
Zebras are found in Australia.
No, teacher.
Then
Africa.
Africa. Yes. Zebras are found in Africa.
Africa.
Africa. Okay. And next is kangaroos are found in where? Kangaroos are found in
Africa.
Zebras are found in Africa. Kangaroos are only found in
Australia.
yes, very good. Kangaroos are only found in Australia. Okay, kangaroos are only found in Australia. Now, next question, 21. This dash world constitutes this dash world constitutes the biosphere. This dash world constitutes the biosphere. मतलब this
Teacher,
dash
living organisms.
living, yes. If you write only living, it's correct only. Okay. The living world constitutes the biosphere. Now, next question. Dash is the cause of many natural processes on the earth. Dash is the cause of many natural processes on the earth. Dash is the cause of many natural process on the earth. अर्थ में जो भी नेचुरल प्रोसेस होता है वो किसके वजह से होता है?
Living things.
लिविंग थिंग्स भी है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. क्या है वो?
Humans.
नो, ह्यूमन नहीं. ह्यूमन भी है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. जो भी नेचुरल प्रोसेसेस होता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वाटर साइकिल होता है. दिस वाटर साइकिल हैपन बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. Plants make food because of this. क्या है? Try. प्लांट कैसे फूड बनाते हैं? क्या क्या चाहिए प्लांट को फूड बनाने के लिए?
Water. Soil.
ओके. सॉइल.
Manure.
हाँ?
Not it's a manures. Manures.
नो, फूड बनाने के
Sunlight.
लिए सनलाइट. ओके, सो यू जस्ट थिंक अगर सन नहीं है तो सब कुछ होएगा, सब नेचुरल प्रोसेस होएगा. सो द आंसर इज सन. ओके, sun is the cause of many natural processes. Sun is the cause of many natural processes. Sun is the cause of many natural processes on the earth. लिखा? Over?
Yes.
Okay. Now next question. Animals found in regions of hot climates. Which animals are found in regions of hot climate? Yes. Animals found in regions of hot climates. Hot climate में कौन सा animals दिखता है? Which animals are found in hot climates? Any idea? Do you know the answer?
No, teacher.
No. So the answer is lion, elephant. Okay. These are the animals which are found in the region of hot climates. Okay. Now, 24th question. Till 23rd, is there any doubt?
No.
Okay. Now, 24th question. Dash and dash are the part of the ocean. Dash and dash are the part of the ocean. Dash and dash are the part of the ocean. Do you know? Sea and Gulf. Okay, sea and Gulf are the part of the ocean. Sea and Gulf are the part of the ocean. Over?
Yes.
Sea and Gulf are the part of the ocean. Now, uneven land in different places are known as? Uneven land in different places are known as? देखो, अगर हम देखेंगे, ऑब्जर्व करेंगे, अर्थ का सब लैंड सेम नहीं है, किधर किधर माउंटेन है, किधर किधर हिल्स है, तो ये डिफरेंट डिफरेंट लैंड्स को क्या बोलते हैं?
Landform.
Landforms. Yes, so the answer is landforms. Okay, uneven land in different places are known as landforms. Uneven.
So finished.
Okay. So sea Gulf, is there any doubt? See, ये ocean का part और the ocean water कोई कोई जगह पे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट शेप्स एंड साइजेस में रहता है. ओके, ये ओशन का पानी किधर किधर डिफरेंट शेप्स एंड साइजेस में रहता है, तो उसका एग्जाम्पल है सी, गल्फ. इफ यू वांट आई विल शो यू पिक्चर ऑफ गल्फ. वन
Yes,
सेकेंड.
teacher.
Gulf images. See, this is Gulf. अगर आप इंडिया का मैप देखिएगा तो आपको बॉटम में दिखेगा. मीन्स
ये फोटो नहीं दिख रहा.
फोटोज नहीं दिख रहा. ओके, आई विल शेयर इट वंस अगेन. देखो, दिख रहा है? अभी दिख रहा है?
Yes, teacher.
ओके, तो गल्फ में कैसा रहता है? एक नैरो ओपनिंग रहता है. ओके, बाकी सब जगह पे लैंड रहता है और सिर्फ एक छोटी सी जगह पे ओपनिंग रहता है, वाटर का ओपनिंग रहता है. दैट इज व्हाट गल्फ. ओके, तो ओशन एक एक जगह पे डिफरेंट साइज एंड शेप में रहता है. किधर किधर ये पूरा पानी लैंड से कवर हो जाता है. सो ऐसा डिफरेंट डिफरेंट साइज एंड शेप्स में रहता है, उसको गल्फ बोलते हैं. Okay, so sea and Gulf are different part of the ocean. Is it clear now? Yes,
Yes,
Ali
teacher.
Hassan. Okay, so this is about this chapter, Earth and its living world. और आपको वाटर साइकिल का स्टेप्स सीखना है. Okay, that is another important question. And you should learn how to draw water cycle. वाटर साइकिल कैसे ड्रॉ करते वो भी आपको सीखना है. ओके.